Hello students, I am Dr. Himanshu Kanpal, Assistant Professor English, Government MS College for Women, Bikaner. Today we are going to study the poem On His Blindness by John Milton, which is included in BA First Year Syllabus of English Literature, MGS University, Bikaner. About the poet. John Milton, born to John and Sarah Milton in London, was educated at Christ College, Cambridge. He was a Puritan. Who were the Puritans? Puritans were the English Protestants in 16th and 17th century England who sought to purify the Church of England from Roman Catholic practices. So he was a Puritan and a firm supporter of the state of democracy. His great epics, Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained, have gained him universal acclaim. John Milton is known in the epoch of literature for the works like Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained. He is also credited with reviving the Petrarchan form of sonnet. His sonnets are mostly autobiographical. The most remarkable quality of his poetry is his sublimity. What is sublimity? Sublimity is the quality of being extremely good, both in thought and style. Matthew Arnold calls his style the grand style. Grand style is a style considered appropriate for the expression of lofty ideas and great subjects in the arts. It includes the following components like heightened emotional tone, imposing diction, and highly ornate figures of speech. So Milton is known for using the grand style in his works. His famous works are Allegro, Il Penseroso, Comus, Lycidas, Paradise Lost, first edition in 1667 in 10 books and a second edition in 1674 in 12 books, Paradise Regained, Samson Agonistes, etc. Milton's remarkable sonnets are On His Blindness and On the Late Massacre in Piedmont. Interpreting the poem. On His Blindness is written by Milton in 1655 and published in 1673 is a Petrarchan sonnet. It was earlier titled as When I Consider How My Light is Spent, but 100 years later, Bishop Newton gave it the title On His Blindness. It is On His Blindness is a poem which is called as a Petrarchan sonnet. What is a sonnet? Sonnet is a poem of 14 lines divided into two parts, that is octave and sestet. So On His Blindness is a Petrarchan sonnet or also called as Miltonic sonnet. Milton lost his eyesight in 1652 at the age of 44. This sonnet, On His Blindness, expresses Milton's deep faith in God. It captures the spirit of Puritanism at its best. When Milton lost his eyesight at the prime of his life, when he was only 44 years old, he initially felt utterly disappointed and hopeless. Why? Because he thinks that he has become blind at the age of 44. Now how he is going to perform the task of writing, how he is going to write in praise of God, as it is said that Milton is a Puritan and he has deep faith in God, and he thought that by composing his poems he can serve to God. He feared that the poetic talent bestowed on him by God would now lie useless. The poetic talent which is given to him by God would now lie useless, because now he has become blind and he would not be able to compose the poems, and this talent is going to lie useless in him. In a state of despair and anguish, momentarily he even doubted God's justice. Milton says that it is not correct on the part of God that he has taken his eyesight so soon. He thought it unfair on the part of God to expect hard work from a blind man. Now he is a blind man. How he is going to perform the activities which he considered is important to do? His mental turbulence soon subsided. What he is going through, his mental anguish soon subsided, with a realization that the best service to God is to have faith in Him and submit to His will. What he is doing is the ultimate reality, and we should submit to His will. What God has decided for us is we should be patient enough to accept what He has decided for us. God showers love, compassion, mercy, and sympathy on His devotees. Those who have firm faith in God, God showers love, compassion, mercy, and sympathy. Those who accept God's ways can soon overcome all the hurdles and obstacles in life. They will soon overcome all the problems in life. The sonnet has a universal appeal. Milton's philosophy in God's will is a morale booster for depressed mind. It means that Milton want to stress the idea that we should have firm faith in God's will. What God is doing is for our betterment. The theme of the sonnet is dignified. It is written in iambic pentameter lines. It has, and the rhyme scheme of the poem is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. In the next video, we are going to study the poem on his blindness in detail.